Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to share very important problems for class 10 trigonometry chapter. As we know that our exam is on Saturday and this video will be very helpful for your exam. So to begin with, we have a first problem here. If 3 tan A is equals to 4, then find sine A and cos A. You have to find the value of sine A and cos A. This is about the Pythagoras theorem formula, the side angles opposite, adjacent, hypotenuse, old Harry and his old uncle problem. So to start with, 3 tan A is equals to 4. Tan A can be written as 4 by 3. This 3 going there will become 4 by 3. What is tan A? Old Harry and his old auntie. That means tan is opposite by adjacent. You have to find the hypotenuse side. Consider this as the right angle triangle ABC. We have an hypotenuse here, we have adjacent, we have opposite. Alright, now using the Pythagoras theorem formula, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. You don't know what is AC square. In the place of AB, write 3 square. In the place of AB, write 4 square plus in the place of BC, write 3 square. Because we know the opposite, we know the adjacent. Now, what is 4 square? 4 square will be 16 plus 3 square will be 9. AC square. Now, the square going that side, AC is equals to root 25. Therefore, our AC will be 5. How did 25 come? 16 plus 9 will be 25. So, AC has 5. That is our hypotenuse. With this, we know the hypotenuse term. Now, you have to find sine A, cos A. What was sine A? Sine A was old Harry. Old Harry is nothing but your opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? Opposite is 4. Hypotenuse is 5. That means that is 4 by 5. Next, cos A. Cos A is and his. Adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 3. 3 by hypotenuse is 5. 3 by 5. This is your cos A. Sine A is how much? 4 by 5. To find cos A, what needs to be done? Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent by hypotenuse. Our adjacent value is 3. Hypotenuse value is 5. This is how you find cos A. This is a 2 marks problem which is very important for your exam. Coming to the next problem. We have evaluate sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60. If you have to do this sum, you need to know the trigonometric ratios formula box very well. I have a video of that in the playlist. Kindly check it out. Sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosecant 60. Sine 30 will be 1 by 2. Tan 45 is 1 minus cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Again, for cot 45, we have 1. Cos 60 is 1 by 2 minus secant 30 is 2 by root 3. What will happen here? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1, 1, 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 will be cancelled. What will be remaining? The next problem is cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. Evaluate 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta, 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. First of all, you have cot theta here. What is cot theta? Tan theta was old auntie. So this will be auntie by old. A by A. No. A by O. Adjacent by opposite. When you know adjacent and opposite, you don't know one side. What is that? Hypotenuse in a right angle triangle. So use the Pythagoras formula. AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. In the place of AB, you can write 7 square plus 8 square. That will be 49 plus 8 8 is 64. If you add them, you will get how much? 113. AC is equals to root 113. That means your hypotenuse value is 113. We are stopping here. Why? Because 113 is not a perfect square. After getting AC, you have to find the value of sine theta and cos theta. Sin theta will be old Harry. What is our opposite here? 8. 8 by root 113. And cos theta. Cos theta is and his, adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is 7. 7 by root 1 1. 1 plus 8 by root 113 is 1 plus sine theta. What is 1 minus sine theta? 1 minus 8 by root 113, like this. In the denominator, you have 1 plus cos, 1 minus cos. So 1 plus 7 by root 113 into 1 minus 7 by root 113. This is how we need to write. Now this is an algebraic formula. A plus b, a minus b. What will be that? A square minus b square. So this will become 1 square minus 8 by root 113 whole square by again 1 square minus 7 by root 113 whole square. This will be only 1 minus 8 8 will become 64 by here root and square. Root and square will be cancelled. 113 by 1 minus 7 square is 49 by 113. After this step, you have 113 should come here. 113 minus 64 by 113 by 113 coming here minus 49 by 113. These two will be getting cancelled. 113 minus 64 is 49 by 113 minus 49 is 64. So our answer is 49 by 64. If you have to solve this problem, you need to know the side angles very well. What is hypotenuse, what is opposite, what is adjacent. One more thing, when your angle is here, this will be your opposite, but when our angle is here, this will be opposite. Next problem which we have here is evaluate 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Again, these formulas are of trigonometric ratios. You need to know the box completely. Trigonometric ratios 1. What is cos 30? What is tan 45? Sin 60 values. For these values, you can check the playlist in which I have an exclusive video for this. Now, what is tan 45 value? 1. So, write 2 here. In the place of tan 45, put a bracket, write 1 square like this. Y square because tan square 45 plus cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square minus sin 60. Sin 60 is again root 3 by 2 whole square. After writing these values, you have to solve it. 2 will come here. 2 ones will become 2 plus this square will be applicable to this as well as this. So here square and root will be cancelled. That will be 3. 2 is here. 2 square will become 4. 3 by 4 minus again the same process here also 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel. Answer is 2. This is a 2 marks. Problem which we have here is show that cos 36 cos 54 minus sin 36 sin 54 is 0. This is your complementary angles problem. Complementary angles are this. Cos 90 minus theta will be sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta will be cos theta. Now, according to the question, you have to either change the 36 values or the 54 values. You can change any one. I am doing the 54 ones. So, write cos 36 as it is. Cos 54 will become sin 90 minus 54 because cos theta is sin 90 minus theta. You can write here sin 90 minus theta minus sin 36 will be as it is sin 54. Sin 54 is cos 90 minus theta. Write the formula. Now in the place of theta, you have to write the number. So cut the theta here and write the number. What is the number? 54. 90 minus 54 and here also same thing 90 minus 54. Now this will become cos 36. Sin 90 minus 54 will be sin 36 minus sin 36 as it is. Cos 90 minus 54 is 30. Cos 36. Cos 36, cos 36. Sin 36, sin 36 cancel. Our answer will be express cos theta in terms of tan theta. Here, first of all, cos theta is equals to 1 by secant theta. You have to remember this formula. After that, you need to write secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is a trigonometric identity from our last exercise. After writing this, we have to find the value of secant square theta is equals to minus tan square theta going that side 1 plus tan square theta. Next, secant theta is equals to this square coming here under root of 1 plus tan square theta. This is our secant theta value. Substitute this secant theta in the place of this secant theta here. Therefore, cos theta is equals to 1 by under root of 1 plus tan square theta. This is how we converted cos theta in terms of tan theta. Coming to our next problem. If A comma B comma C are interior angles of a triangle ABC, show that tan A plus B by 2 is equals to cot C by 2. First, you have to write A plus B plus C is equals to 180 degrees. Why are we writing this? This is sum of three sides of a triangle. Next step, A plus B is equals to 180 minus C. Send this C that side. Now divide with 2 on both the sides. Divide with 2 on both sides. What will happen? A plus B by 2 is equals to 180 by 2 minus C by 2. This will become 90. So what is coming here? A plus B by 2 is equals to 90 minus C by 2. Now you have tan here. So substitute tan on both sides. Tan on both sides. What are we doing? Substituting tan on both the sides. So this will be tan A plus B by 2 is equals to tan 90 minus C by 2. Do you remember what is tan 90 minus C by 2? C by 2 is nothing but your theta. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. This is our complementary angles formula. Tan 90 minus theta is cot theta. Substitute in the place of this cot theta. So that will be tan A plus B by 2 is equals to cot. What is theta value here? C by 2 is equals to C by 2. This problem which we have is prove that under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta is equals to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Here you have to take the LHS part first. Under root 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta. Now rationalizing factor of 1 minus cos theta will be 1 plus cos theta. If you are having minus here, you have to write it as plus. If you are having it as plus, then you have to write it as minus. The rationalizing factor, only the sign will change. Next step will be multiply and divide with 1 plus cos theta. The rationalizing factor which you got, you need to multiply it like this. Under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 minus cos theta into under root of 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. What will happen here? 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, that will become 1 plus cos theta whole square by, this will be a minus b into a plus b. So this is 1 square minus cos theta whole square. Don't forget to write the root. 1 plus cos theta whole square by, we have 1 minus cos square theta here. We have an identity, 1 minus cos square theta will be sine square theta. So in the place of this, we have to write sine square theta under root 1 plus cos theta whole square by sine square theta. The next step will be the squares and the roots will be cancelled. What will be remaining here? 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. This sine theta will be applicable to 1 as well as cos theta. That will become 1 by sine theta plus cos theta by sine theta. 1 plus sine theta is nothing but your cosecant theta. Cosecant theta plus cos by sine is cot theta. This is your RHS part. The next problem which we have is, given secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p, you have to prove sin theta is p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is the most important problem from this chapter. In a textbook, we have k square minus 1, k square plus 1. But sometimes you can also get p. So we are doing this problem. What is given? Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. This is our first equation. Make it as first equation. Now you have an identity which we know. Secant square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is a simple identity which we have in our textbooks. Now according to this is a square minus b square. So this can be written as secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta became this. Now in the place of secant theta plus tan theta, p can be substituted. Substitute p here. P into secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1. Sending this p towards 1, that will be secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p, like this. This is our second equation. Okay, we have two equations here to solve the first equation and the second equation. 1 and 2. What is our first equation? Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. Here we have cancellation. This is plus, this is minus. This needs to be cancelled. Secant theta will become 2 secant theta and plus is here. So this will become p plus 1 by p, and lastly, we'll get the answer as p square plus 1 by p. So this will be our third equation. This is our third equation. Again, next we have 2 secant theta is equals to p plus 1 by p. This will become 2 secant theta is equals to p square plus 1 by p. This will be our third equation. Now to get the fourth equation, again you have to solve the first and second equation. Solving 1 and 2. Secant theta plus tan theta is equals to p. Secant theta minus tan theta is equals to 1 by p. Why are we solving this? Because you need to get the tan value also. Here changing the signs, this minus will become plus, this will become minus, this will become minus, plus minus will be cancelled. This is both are plus tan thetas. So this will be 2 tan theta is equals to p minus 1 by p. This will be 2 tan theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p. Like this you got the fourth equation. Solving fourth equation by third equation. This is our fourth, this is our third equation. How to solve? Write 2 tan theta by 2 secant theta. 2 tan theta will be p square minus 1 by p. This will be p square plus 1 by p. P cancelled, 2 cancelled. In the place of tan, we can write it as sin theta by cos theta. Again, in the place of secant theta, we have to write it as 1 by cos theta. This will be as it is, p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. Cos theta will be cancelled. Therefore, our answer is sin theta is equals to p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. This is how you need to solve this. The next problem in today's class is evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta is equals to 2. Take the LHS part first. 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Now, in the place of tan theta, we have to write the values like this. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus secant theta will be 1 by cos theta. Write it like this, into 1 plus cot theta will be reverse of tan. So what will come here? Cos theta by sin theta minus cosecant theta will be 1 by sin theta. Writing it like this, cos theta coming here, cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta. Next, sin theta going there, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. Here, this is a value and this is b value. A plus b into a step will be cos theta plus sin theta plus cos theta. This is a plus b into a minus b. So, a square minus b square. So, write it like this, cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta into sin theta. cos theta into sin theta. This is a plus b whole square. Now expand this. How? Cos square theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta plus sin square theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. Now what will happen? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. We have an identity of cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So in the place of this and this, write 1 plus 2 cos theta sin theta minus 1 by cos theta into sin theta. 1 and 1 will be cancelled. Next step will be 2 cos theta sin theta by cos theta sin theta. Sin theta, sin theta, cos theta is cancelled. Answer is 2. What is 2? 2 is our RHS. This is how chapters. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my